Hey everyone, quick demo on the customer retention agent. So basically this is a fully autonomous AI agent built on AWS Bedrock AgentCore. And what it does is help telecom companies reduce customer churn. So the problem we are trying to solve here is that telecom companies lose millions of dollars every year when customers just cancel their service. So this agent, it identifies customers who are at risk of leaving and then proactively offers them personalized deals in real time. So we are using three agent core primitives here: runtime, gateway, and memory to create this intelligent assistant. And this is powered by Claude 3.7 Sonnet. So this agent reasons autonomously. It can call tools on its own and remembers the customer preferences across conversations. So yeah, it's basically a production-ready, scalable AI agent. So yeah, let's talk about the architectural overview and see what all are the components in this system. So yeah, this is the architecture. So let me walk you through this real quick. So the system is built on 5 main layers. First up, we've got the front end. So is Next.js chat interface deployed on Vercel, and that supports streaming responses. So it's pretty straightforward web application. Second is the authentication layer, and we are using a dual Cognito architecture here. So there's a web client for user login and then a machine-to-machine client for the agent to talk to the gateway. Third is the AI agent layer itself. This is where AgentCore Runtime hosts Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And we've got memory integration using 3 different strategies. That is, we have the user preferences, semantic context, and conversation summarization. And then fourth, we have the tools layer or the business logic layer. So there are 3 Lambda functions that are exposed via the AgentCore gateway using the MCP protocol. So yeah, we've got 3 Lambda functions here. And so we've got a churn data query function, Lambda function, that hits Athena with the Kaggle telco dataset. A retention offer function is also there that generates risk-based discounts, and a web search function for getting the current information. And finally, we have the 5th layer. This is the data layer, and we are using Athena for SQL queries on our 7,000 customer records from the Kaggle dataset, S3 for storage of that data. And we also use a Bedrock knowledge base that stores the company policies. So yeah, that's an overview of the architecture. More details about the Lambda functions are there in the readmes. So I have, if you look at the folder structure here, we have the agent folder, which is all about the agent. Then the front end is the Next.js app. Knowledge base data is essentially the knowledge base PDF files that I have uploaded to S3. And then inside the Lambda, we have like 3 Lambda functions: churn data query, retention offer, and web search. There is detailed readmes about what they are doing. So that's the overview of the architecture. Now let's take a look at the demo. All right, so let me show you how this actually works. So I'm going to log in as a test customer here. Cool. So the front end just authenticated me via Cognito, and now it's sending JWT tokens to the AgentCore runtime with every message I sent. The JWT token contains my user ID, which gets mapped to my actual customer ID in the Kaggle dataset or in Athena for all the database queries. So I'll start with a simple greeting. And let's wait for the agent to respond back. Okay, so the agent has responded back. So let's see. Let me give my customer ID to the agent. All right, so we can see here the agent has already uh, has called the tools and have come up with some special offers available for me based on my current plan. So we could explicitly ask the agent to check my churn risk. So let's ask the agent what is my churn churn risk, and let's see what will happen. So so what should happen here is that the agent should autonomously decide to call the churn data query tool through the gateway, and it would call our Lambda function, and then the Lambda function would essentially query the query Athena that has the Kaggle dataset and come back with the real customer data. So here, yeah, so you can see here my churn risk assessment is medium level, low tenure, 3 months. So it has called the Lambda function, which is the churn data query tool, through the AgentCore gateway, and got what is my current churn rate. And it actually went ahead and gave me some personalized retention offers. So we could explicitly ask the agent to give me some discount code to stay. So let's ask the agent. So what happened here is that the agent's reasoning about my situation and using the right tools to get this information. So as you can see, that I gave my customer ID. It went ahead and called the churn data query to find what is my current churn, and then it went ahead and see what all discount codes can it provide to me, and it just gave it to me. So here you can see the response back from the agent, and it found some excellent retention offers for you. So here it gives me some discount codes, and these discount codes I can apply it, and I can avail these services. So the agent is reasoning about my situation and using the right tools to get this information. So what happened here is that the agent is now calling two tools sequentially. That is, first it's calling the churn data query again to get my latest data, and then it's calling the retention offer tool with that churn data to generate a personalized discount. Yeah, and that's how this works. So the agent just generated a personalized offer based on my high churn risk. I got like a 25% discount for 3 months with a specific code I can actually use. So this is a autonomous multi-step reasoning powered by Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. And the agent made all these decisions on its own about which tools to call and in what order. So just to reiterate the key technical features here, we've got the autonomous reasoning with Cloud 3.7 Sonnet, making multi-step tool decisions. We are using AgentCore Gateway with the MCP protocol for secure Lambda integration. And we have memory hooks that provide persistent customer context across sessions. And we are using JWT authentication for secure user identification and customer ID mappings. And all of this is deployed on AgentCore Runtime, which gives us production grade scalability and observability. So yeah, it remembers the user like the next time when you log in. So if I sign out and then sign back in, and then just interact with the agent is going to remember what my previous conversation was and try to come up with it. So if I give my customer ID here, so let me see. If I give my customer ID, it's gonna come up with my personalized offers, and it'll check my current retention risk rate, and then it'll come up with personalized offers. So let's wait for the response. Yeah, so it was able to check my current churn rate, and then it was able to come up with personalized offers based on that churn rate. So in this, it was able to like call these external tools using the gateway and give us back this response. So yeah, so this solution demonstrates the real business value, reducing churn by proactively engaging at-risk customers with personalized offers. It's scalable, production ready, and fully leveraging AWS Bedrock AgentCore primitives. All right, yeah, I think that's it. All the code and deployment instructions are available in the repository, and thanks for watching.